Entebekanisa ezi zishagikirwa abanyishengero abashema kandi ambulance egi ehirweyo okuhwera abatura okweraguriza baheza kurwara.
Na Dr. Kashema Municipal Council.
Bazi ya pressure nyoni ndaguzo mukade wange na diabetes, I know what it means. Shanga ngo umuntu asesire kubitano umwaka gona yakumanaza kabone nafuna university
buri mwaka. Ese amagobaga kurugoma ndigija kwereza ndigegesa ngagure mbazi oburwire bwa shukari pressure no kurwara umutima n'ubuguma mbaragurwaha omuntu adaherize se
ati endwara ya shukari hasa kunaza kureba ngara companies zezi ya leta ha ziziriye bichipuri ombazo kurga Germany nukuba kurwenyine ombazi ogogwa CDF pharmacy nombazi kwenyine nanguna nababa insulin nukwenyine so tumanyisa kwitwa bashema tujya choto cyenyine.
Ambulance egi neija kuberya hirwaro erya Kabwohe Health Center ya Kana kandi okujakira kwatandikira hansharo eya Sheema hamwe na Mbarara district.
Nyowe naba mwina budget committee achiretezaha na nyenderetezaha ushanga ngo bitwe twashakura yebyamani ibikwishaka hi umushema nitakenza wengwa ogo.
At first project eje takizire eyo kurunda n'abarwire bashukari tukabamanagingira ahirwaro ryitu ya Kabwe Health Center for bakane bakosa emitwaro almost umuntu akana kosa emitwaro 14 per month.
Omunyishengero Dickson Kateshumbwa yarabura bashaho abakabwohe Health Center ya Kana hamwe n'abakozi ba government obutihe center habantu okubaho buhereza obwa ambulance egi.
Tangana na ministry ya health twagira ngo ambulance zone zifune fuel cards kugira ngo zibase kuba zifuna amajista direct kutari kugira ngo ambulance yabura amajista yabura kutwara abarwaire.
Ambulance nunje kumwagereba eri kwiputije kurundi munonga ine eba kweta class B ambulance ejo neberumwe byomera umuwano transporting umurwire nagenda linkori kumurwaro.
Omugandi mukuru w'ekigombe ekya State House Investors Protection Unit Kano Edith Nakarema akabukira abarukurra ebyokwombeka n'abarukuteekateekera ebyanga ahabwo kukora binkwatire ki. Kano Edith Nakarema abire nakingaho omushomo ogw'ebiro bishatu ogutebekanisibwe ab'ekitongore ekya National Building Review Board aha Lakeview Hotel aho muri Mbarara.
Bakoresa za cement emitehimbwa obushuma bugire buri hamwe so aba engineers twabashabananye nayongeraho okushaba no kugira ngo bagumiza mwecyo kandi no kujware koti yanjye ndijo yo burwandi kandi tukarwana abo kwa president na turagira burijo ngo tuyine kureba ngo abantu batunga services na rubuhereza obushyikire.
We all need to go to that site. Not so. If we all need to go to that site, why do we say this is my thing, don't cross my path, this is my thing? Each of us knows our thing. Go to the site, do your thing, and come back. Not so. Are we still going back to fight? We all know what we are supposed to do. That is proof that each of you is important.
Engage training. Nokushomesa physical planners ba Uganda yona. Na building control officers ba Uganda yona abo mu districts abo mu cities abo municipalities kurebeka ngo twatunga new equipments new gadgets na knowledge endizo erikweyongeraho na neberagiro byona.
Omushomogu gutebekanisibwe ekitongore kya government ekiri kushuganisa ebyokwombeka omwihanga ekya National Building Review Board.
On behalf of the State House Investors Protection Unit, I am grateful that the National Building Review Board have considered us worth collaborating with you in ensuring that the building sector or the construction sector, I think the word building takes all. The building sector improves well.
Do your thing. If you are the head of the family and you must tell me that respect me because I'm the head of the family. It means you are useless, not it? Is it? So if you're the head of the family, do your job and it will be obvious. We shall respect you.
Amakuru aga gashakwa Michael atwachire na era achiz.